Hey, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Now I'm up here on the roof. Up on the roof, there's a little place I go. Yeah, so anyway, my weather station, the Anemone, whatever it is, the air thing, it wouldn't tell me how fast the winds were. And also, we had some rain the other night, and it didn't register anything on that. So I came up here and I took the sending unit off, and ended up noticing the solar panel on it was completely full of dust. You couldn't even see the color of it. It was the same color as the plastic. So there was bugs in the rain gauge. I cleaned all of that out, and then it was every time it got in the sun like this, the something inside of it was just, I said, oh man. So I took the whole thing apart, and I found out the problem was one of the bearings was full of dust and that stuff too, on the cooling fan that's inside of it. So I pulled the whole thing completely apart. I took every piece that comes off of it came off of it. And I put it all back together again, and it's working just fine now. Well, at least it's not making that whirring sound, and you can see the wind thing wants to turn, but it's laying down so it won't turn. So I'm going to get that mounted back on. It goes right there where those holes are. And then I'll go see how it's doing down in the cabin. I should be at least getting some signal from the wind. Also, for those of you who have one of these, in that little cover right there, if you remember when you got it, you had to put in 4 AA batteries. Okay? And they should be alkalines, and those were dead. They had 1 volt left in them. So I replaced those with 4 fresh batteries. And it looks like I'm going to be back in business here without having to buy another weather station. So let me get it back together again, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and I'm inside now, and my weather station is back in business. It's looking good. I even figured out how to put the 2/100ths of an inch that I missed recording the other night with the little overnight spritz we had. So I got that back on here. That's a good thing. And that'll keep me up to date for the year. So you can see that the wind's at 3 miles per hour out there right out the west. So that's working. And I had to completely disassemble that unit, but hey, I'm mechanically inclined. And right now I'm sitting down inclined. All right, everybody, I want to thank you all for joining me. Don't forget thumbs ups. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. I'll be glad to get back at you. This is G Bear signing off.